How to create a coloring book to sell on Amazon KDP using artificial intelligence is what I'll be discussing in this video. Try to watch to the end because in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create this book, and this book from start to finish. And the good part is that you don't need to have experience. Even if you have not done it before, you are going to learn it in this video. You're welcome to the channel. If you're seeing this page for the first time, my name is Stacy, and here I talk about different ways you can make passive income online. If you love this type of content, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, and to get notified each time I upload any video. Now let's dive into the video. Before creating my coloring book using Canva, the first thing I will be doing is to generate the images I will use for my coloring book. So I'll be doing that using coloringbook.ai. This is a platform I've been using to generate my images for my coloring book. They have very attractive and quality images you can use for your coloring book on Amazon KDP, and you will generate sales because the quality is very high, very clear, bold, and beautiful images. They have a free version which is very limited, and they have paid version which is very affordable. They have different payment plan. They have monthly payment plan and yearly payment plan as low as $6.99 per month, and they also have yearly. If you are going for yearly, you get 30% discount. Then if you are going for monthly the list is $9.99 per month. They have different packages: starter, hobby, and professional. It's really affordable, and you can make back your money within a month. This platform is very good. You can generate your images within minutes. They have text to coloring, and they have image to coloring. So anyone you choose to, you can actually use it, and you can generate your image within minutes. You have different ways you can generate your image. You can upload an image you have, a colored image, and generate it to coloring image. You can also generate using text. So I will be generating my image, and the good part is that you can generate these images in batches. Like, you can do them one to make it faster. You can do it in batches. So what I will do is to get the images I want in text, images I want to generate. So I'll just copy to show you that I can do this in batches. I'll just copy. You can do up to 30 per task. I'll just copy and go straight to the platform. Like I said, you can do text to coloring pages, you can do image to coloring pages. So I'm doing text to coloring pages. What I will do is to click on text to coloring pages. Then I'll paste what I want to generate inside this box. Then you select one so that I don't generate more than one for each. Then you click on generate. It takes like just seconds to minutes to generate all your images. So as you can see, all the images you can see they've generated my image within few seconds. You can generate your image. So what I will do is to download them and upload them in Canva. Then I'll continue my editing on Canva. So I'm gonna do that now. Click on download. I'm gonna do it now. Then I will now upload it to Canva. Now I have my images on Canva. The next step is to determine my book details. So to do that, I'll head over to KDP Help Center, determine the interior and the margin. of the book. So I will just go to format paperback, click on it, go to set trim, size, bleed and margin. Set trim size, margin, then set size for my paperback. So what we are doing is paperback for the coloring book. So I will scroll down. Now we have book interior with bleed and book interior without bleed. You can see the example given here. This is with bleed and this is without bleed. So we are doing with no bleed. So we are going to check the book, the size of paper we are going to be using for no bleed. Check that, we click on margin. So the margin we'll be using for paper size with no bleed is inside margin 0.375 and outside margin 0.375, and the paper size will be 8.5 by 11. So now we head over to Canva. Go to Canva, click on create design, custom size. Then here will be 8.5 by 11. Change it to inches, sorry. It's going to be 8.5 by 11. Create new design. So now remember our margin, our inside margin is 0.375 and the outside margin is 0.375. So to do that, we'll use the ruler to measure 0.375. So to measure that, we'll use our ruler to get 0.375 at least, so it can be a little bit more than 3.75. So 3.85 is okay. So what we'll do is to go to element, click on shapes, square, use square. So to ensure that we get the correct size, do this, duplicate this, take it to this other side, duplicate it, bring it down, rotate it, so now take this ruler again to ensure that the sizes get the accurate size. So I'll get this, drop it here. Then now that we have our size, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. So now we have our paper size. So another thing I usually do to get the exact border, to ensure that everything is within, I'll just use this shape, this square shape to do this. Then go to border style, increase it a little bit to get that. You can see that all around it highlighted. So go to border color, click on no color, border color, no color. So now that we have our paper size complete, the next is to duplicate. So our pages, we're going to be doing like 80 pages or 88 pages for this coloring book. I'll be doing like 88 pages. So what I'm going to do is to duplicate it up to 88. I'll keep duplicating till it gets to 88. So the first thing I'll be doing here is to, the first page will be title page. Go to text, put heading. I'm doing nature adult coloring book. Or coming nature adult coloring books. I'm going to just design this, sure that everything is within this. Rather, we'll just go to this test. Okay, let me just design it to look better. I'm going to use this to get my title page. Coming nature coloring, nature adult coloring book. So this is better. So remember, I have downloaded my images, so I will just use one of them to design this, using this to just design it, ensure that you can just play around this to bring it to your own design and style. So this will be my title page. The next is going to be, I will leave a page blank, then so that I can color this too. So I will leave a page blank. Then here can be my title, my this book belongs to page. This book belongs to, okay, this is okay, then format it very well. Okay, I also want to design it. So I want to just put a little design to make it look very fine. Okay, I'll just put a line here. A line. That element there. Pick a new line here. Extend it. Show that it's the same and bring it down. So this will be my belong page. So now the next page, I'll leave a page blank, then continue. Start compiling my coloring pages. So I'll start with the first. So remember, I'm doing nature. I already downloaded. I can see how beautiful these pages are. The images are generated from coloringbook.ai. You can see how clear and perfect it is. So the quality of the images in that platform is very, very good. If you want to use them, I'll leave the link in my description if you want to use this platform. They are really very affordable and you can generate super quality images from them. So I have my first page, then I will leave a blank page. I'll do another one. So remember, I'm doing eight pages, so this is what I'll be doing. I will do all of them like this. I don't need much editing because the images I have here, they are perfect qualities. That's how I'm going to do all of them till I get to eight pages. So I'll do that right now. I'll continue. So right now I'm done with formatting this coloring book. As you can see, what I have here is 82 pages. One blank page, one coloring page. So I am done formatting my coloring book. I have up to the number of pages I need. So once you get to this point, you are done. The next is to download it and publish it on Amazon. So what you will do is to click on share, click on download, then select PDF prints, flattened PDF prints, then you click on download, then you go back to click on download and you are ready and set to publish your book on Amazon. I'm going to make more video on how to create coloring books for kids and different coloring books. Like I said, the platform I use again is coloringbook.ai. They have super quality coloring images you can use to generate your images for your coloring book, and they are super affordable. If you want to use them, you can use the link in my description. They have free version which is very limited, but the paid version is of high quality and you can generate your coloring images within a minute. Alright guys, that will be all for this particular video on how to create a coloring book with an AI. Thank you guys for watching.